What's up, YouTubers? Jonny DIY here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about windshield wiper blades, and I got some new ones I'm going to show you guys. But if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of these auto and household projects. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so the new blades I wanted to tell you guys about are these PIAA Tech Silicone Advantage blades, and the difference is that the actual rubber on them is not rubber at all. It's silicone based. And what I'll show you is I'll show you one of the regular wiper blades. These are the just cheap ones that you can get every year. They last about one season, but they just end up, the rubber just cracks and breaks, and like I said, they last about one season, especially if you live somewhere hot. The summer just eats that rubber away. Alright, so it looks like it comes with a bunch of these plastic adapters in case you don't have the regular J-hook style one. But here's what I'm talking about. The blade right here, the soft rubbery part, is actually silicone based. The whole thing I think is silicone, or it's silicone coated at least. And these are supposed to last about twice as long, but I've heard of people lasting like maybe even 5 years, and they're about twice as much as a good set of blades. So what they do is they actually will leave a little silicone from the blade on the windshield, and that's going to help repel the water, but it's also not going to rot in the summer. And they come with this little windshield preparation pack, and all it is like a silicone on like a wet nap, and you can wipe it down and then you just polish it off. But I went ahead and polished my windshield already with some other stuff, so I'm just going to use this later when that wears off. Take off these old ones. Then they just slide on just like any other wipers. Wait for them to snap on. There we go. Wait until they click on just like that. And what's great about these are blade style ones, so see how soft they are? They lay flat and kind of contour to the windshield better than these metal framed ones. And look at this one's just trashed. Alright, let's go ahead and test how good these blades really are. Oh wow, look at that. So quiet. Alright, I love these babies. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out my other videos and my page, subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching Jonny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.